friends, the topic which I have chosen to speak on in today's video, it's really a significant topic, and I assure you that if you will keep listening this video till the very end, then I'm sure that this video is going to help you a lot and you will learn so many things from this particular video regarding learning this language, regarding learning English language. So please make sure that you are going to watch this video till the very end. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So friends, yes, all of us, we know that therefore expect to speak in this language, to learn this language. Along with that, there's one thing which helps us a lot, and that is environment. Just like as we know that there is a simple thing, a child learns his mother tongue from his environment. There is no doubt. In the same way, we have to also create that environment so that we can be perfect. We can get so many things each and every day, and we will acquire all those things, and we will start using all those things, especially in a conversation. But the thing is that how especially being an Indian, how can we create that environment around us in order to help us to learn a different language, not our mother tongue, which is a second language, English language. So friend, there is one thing which I have followed, and just because of that thing, now I'm capable. I can speak English. I can elaborate my thoughts in front of anyone, and along with that, now I can say day by day I'm elevating my level of speaking. The things which I have followed, the ways I have acquired earlier, those habits help me a lot each and every day. And if I talk about that environment, so there's not any one particular way to create environment, because being an Indian, I know that I can relate with you. It's really very difficult to create that environment. There is not any kind of a family member of ours or any kind of friends of ours. They are going to help us. It's only you and you who will help you, who can help you. And definitely, if you're really so much considered about this language, then you are definitely going to create that environment. So how I did? In my initial days, I have mentioned this in my so many videos, that in my initial days, I focused only on two things, and that was listening and speaking. So listening was a kind of a practice which I have been following for a very long time. The time since when I have started my journey, I have been following this practice. I have been doing this practice a lot, because as I mentioned, means a new baby, how he learns, in the same way we have to also create that environment. We have to keep listening. How we can do that? It's like while cooking, okay, while cooking food, you can use your AirPods, you can use your headphones, and just play any kind of video. And you can, I know that it's a kind of a passive listening, it's not an active listening, but at least you are getting some words. Definitely, if you will listen some videos, you will get at least sorry friends, at least 10 words, at least one or two structures, at least one or two idioms from a single video. Okay, that's why listening is important. So the first thing, we have to listen a lot in a daytime. Okay, in a single day, whenever you get time, try to listen a lot, so that each and every day you will add 3 or 4 vocabs in your vocab knowledge, and you can expand the knowledge of your vocab as well. And in this way, you will also be habitual, your mind, be habitual to think only in English. And the other thing is reading habit, because while reading, we speak, okay, we speak out loud, and we also come across different structures and rules and words each and every day. So that's why we have to also acquire this habit of reading, so that we can create that environment around us. Along with that, what you can do, there's so many apps are there. Okay, go and just install some apps. You will get so many apps from the Play Store. Just install, and these days There are so many apps are there. They provide free minutes. We can use those minutes in order to for our speaking practice. Okay, we can easily get 25 or 30 minutes free. There is no need to spend money. Okay, because whatever knowledge I'm giving you, whatever kind of steps I'm telling you, I have followed all those. And friends, all these tips are really genuine, and I haven't spent even a single rupee in all those things in order to learn, especially this language, which is not my mother tongue. And the next thing, each and every day, when you have a look around yourself, then you will get so many things. Okay, you get so many things around yourself. As I mentioned this in my so many videos, that thinking process. Okay, this is a kind of a habit which you are not going to get used to this habit only in one day. No, it will take time. For this you have to take cautious effort, so that you can be habitual to all those things. You can be habitual to doing all those things, and after some days, when you will be easy with all those habits, with all those things, then you will feel like that, yeah, your journey, it has become so easy for me, and now I'm not feeling any kind of thing like I'm feeling boring or I'm compelled to do any kind of things. Then it will be your desire, then it will be your passion. There wouldn't be any kind of compulsion kind of things. And yeah, I have mentioned listening practice, reading practice, and you have to also download some apps. Okay, and reading, it's definitely help you. And if you're a kind of person who likes journaling, then you can go with this, because in order to writing a single page, we can use so many words, so many sentences which we generally don't use, especially while speaking. We forget, because we can't use naturally all those words, all those sentences, because these words haven't become the part of our speaking. Until we take cautious effort, until we take cautious steps, we can't use them. So that's why we have to take cautious effort, so that we can start using all those words, sentences, and idioms and phrasal verbs, anything which we want to implement in a conversation each and every day. And and along with that, what you can do, whichever kind of activity you do, try to speak it out loud. If you are comfortable, and if you're not, then just speak in your mind, at least think about it, and try to make some sentences. Then you will see, slowly now your journey, it has become easy. You are not depending on others for your learning journey, for practicing. Friends, there's one thing which I also want to mention here. There are so many apps. Their subscription is really very cheap. You have to spend only 500 rupees, just like Josh Talk Skills, and you have to spend only 500 rupees for a year, and you will get 1 year access to speak with anyone. Okay, but if you want any genuine partner, so you have to put some extra effort, and you have to spend money, because without spending money, you won't get genuine thing, you won't get genuine person, you won't get genuine mentor for you. So there are also some types apps are there. You will go with that. You will go for that. But till now I haven't started taking any kind of subscription of these kind of apps which are paid. So whatever I'm using free. But I'm content with my English, I'm happy with my English, and I'm satisfied. It gives me that satisfaction. Yeah, I have get something on my own, and I'm really happy. And I also want you to become happy. I also want you to learn this language, speak this language, because though I have got so many comments in my comment section, there is, we are Indians and we are Hindu, we have to spread the Hinduism only in our country. But I know that in order to grow in our country, Hindi is important. I know that, as well as we have to work on this language too, because in each and every field in which you want to work, in which you want to work, in which uh, you want to find your dream. Okay, there is only one language, and which is our official language, English language. So please go with this and just do whatever you want to do and create that environment, and don't depend on others. Until you are going to depend on others, you are not going to get anything from others, because people, they don't want to help us. This is this is the truth of this society. This is the real face of this society. No one is going to help you, no one wants to help us. Everyone just want to take advantage from us. Everyone just want to make advantages from us. So this is a thing which I wanted to tell you, and I must say that these things I have followed, and these things has helped me a lot. And that's it. I know that you are so intelligent and you will get whatever I wanted to tell you. And we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.